Hello, this is Miss Monali from Gundecha Education Academy, Oshiwara. Today, in EVS, we are going to learn about the people who help us, not just in our day-to-day life, but also in emergencies. So, in our day-to-day lives, we come across a lot of people who help us make our lives simpler. Take, for example, your doctors, your nurses, your teachers, carpenters, plumbers, painters, so many people. And I'm sure you'll remember we learnt about them when y'all were in grade 1. So now we are going to study about the emergency services and some other essential services. Now take for instance, there is a fire. Whom would you call? The first emergency service we're going to talk about is the fire brigade. I know that you're supposed to call the fire brigade, but I'm not sure if you know what their number is. So remember, if you have to call a fire brigade, you will call 101, 101. So in case there is a fire, people call 101 on their phone. The firemen get into their fire truck and drive to the place of fire. Then the fire engine keeps blowing a horn or a loud siren so that all the other vehicles move away and let the fire engine drive fast. So I'm sure you all also let the fire brigade go whenever you all are on the road, right? Great. Look at the pictures. The firemen spray water with the water hose to put out the fire. They are very, very brave people. Trust me, they really are. And they come to our help in such emergencies. Actually, not just these emergencies. When I was little, I would like to share my own experience. So we were just playing in the park, and we could hear a little cat mewing for quite some time. We tried looking around, but we couldn't see anyone. That's when one of my friends spotted a cat, or rather a kitten, stuck on a tree. She was like, oh my god, I don't know how she got there, but we had to get her down. So we tried calling a few aunties who were around, and one of them said that, let's call the fire brigade. And we were like, but there's no emergency like a fire. Why would we call a fire brigade? That's when they said, no, these people would help you in any kind of emergency. They are here to save all lives. So we said, okay, let's give it a shot. And we called them on 101. And trust me, they actually got there in no time and rescued that little kitten. Oh my God, we were all overjoyed with this whole thing. And since that day, I have high regards for these firemen, really. So the next emergency service here is the ambulance service. So whenever somebody is seriously sick, or there's an accident, or there's an emergency, or somebody's injured, you will dial the number 102 and you will call for an ambulance. So each ambulance is properly equipped along with trained nurses to handle these medical emergencies. And it is these ambulances that will save so many lives of people. So whenever you hear an ambulance siren, please let them go. Yeah. At the end of this slide, there is one link added. I want you to click on that link and see how these emergency services work. It's really fun. Watch it. On to the next emergency service, that's the police station. In case of any crime, kidnapping, theft, or robbery, we need to call the number 100 for the police station. The police station immediately rushes to the trouble spot, and there are many policemen who are on duty who are going to help you, and they have a lot of police vans and flying squads with sirens. So even if you hear a police van siren, please let them go too, because these are emergency services. They are going to help you and me when we are also in trouble. So let's put ourselves in their place, and they are doing all this very selflessly, trust me. Also remember, whenever you need police help, you dial either 100 and tell them your location. It is very important. And now you can also dial 112, which is a combined number for all emergencies. So now you have to remember four numbers. If you have to call the police for any kind of crime, theft, kidnapping or robbery, you will either dial 100 or 112. If you have to call the fire brigade, you're going to dial 101. And if you have to call for an ambulance, you're going to dial 102. Yeah, I'm sure you all are going to remember these numbers, right? Now, apart from these emergency services, we also have some other common services. The first one we're going to learn about is the post office. So I'm sure we all have seen a post office around our houses. So what happens in a post office is basically it delivers your mails and parcels to your relatives through a postman. We can post letters and parcels to our friends and relatives by dropping them in the letter boxes or in the post office. We can visit the post office to buy postages like envelopes, stamps, etc. We can also send money orders from the post office. And these days, all post offices also offer banking services. Yeah, this is a new thing that the post offices have started now. They also offer some bank services. Yeah. Now, if at all you want to send your parcels or letters a little faster, then you can use any other courier service. So courier service is also a postal service, but it's run by a private company. So our letters and parcels can reach faster through this particular courier service. The last type of service that we're going to look at is the cooking gas service. Nowadays, I know we all also have got the gas pipeline, but some of us still have the cooking gases that we use to cook. So cooking gas service is very important in any neighborhood. Whenever we need a cooking gas cylinder, we ring up the cooking gas service and they deliver gas cylinders to our house. Cooking gas service also checks up your cooking stuff for any leakages of gases. So yes, so today we studied about certain essential or emergency services along with other essential services. Children, don't forget those emergency numbers. You never know when you're going to need them. Yeah. Everybody stay home, stay safe, and I hope you all enjoyed this particular session with me. Yes, I miss you all too, as much as you all miss us and the school. But let's be hopeful. We all get to see each other very, very soon. Yeah. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye. This is Miss Manali signing off from today's session.